Look at the man at work. Look at this. And that's the way we do it around here. Working together in silence. Let's all look at the ants and take some lessons from them. Look at this guy go. Coward, where did you go? Where are you? You guys are so busy building all these little pieces of magic. There you are. Look at you. Look at you go. Busy little worker. One little ant carrying that big mountain banana. Maybe he thinks I'm gonna interfere, so I'll just leave them in peace. Have a beautiful day, everybody, and watch the ants and listen to the birds. You little champion. Look at this champion go. Go, go, go. I'm just going to call you Joseph. Go, 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 Joseph. You know what they say. Hang in there, Joseph. Make the hay, making hay, hay. In the sun making hay. Go, 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 Joseph, you know what they say. Now, two of them are at it now, look. That is cooperation. Go, 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 Joseph, you know what they say. During the sunshine, you're making the hay. La, 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 Joseph, you're doing fine. You and your auntie, brothers and sisters, ahead of your time. Solange volgende nieuwsle. Agus bigi gestucht, le rarige flirte from the galliva. Have a beautiful day, everybody, and have a listen to the birds and the church bells the ravens, and most especially remember to listen to WhoWoulddaThunk radio show on Florida FM Galway.